21 foods that start with N. Are you a food lover? Can you name at least 10 foods starting with the letter N? If not, then worry not. This video contains 21 foods that start with N, which includes fluids, foods as well as anything edible. At first, you might not be familiar with many of these options, but by the end of this, you'll be able to name 21 foods beginning with the letter N. 1. Nuggets. 2. Nigella seed. 3. Naan Bread. 4. Nonpareil. 5. Nashi pear. 6. Navel Oranges. 7. Nasi Goreng. 8. Neep or Turnip. 9. Nori. 10. Nasturtium. 11. Natal plum. 12. Nankhata. 13. Nutmeg Melon. 14. Nougat. 15. Noodles. 16. Nectarine. 17. Negus. 18. Nesselrode. 19. Neep. 20. Nachos. 21. Nutella. These are simply some of the well-known foods starting with N, but no one can find them all. This will get you started in being able to name foods that begin with the letter N.